Hi, welcome to Cooking with the Frumesses. And today I have my two special assistants. This is my son Jordan, and this is my daughter Noah. And they are going to help me make Prison Laffy Taffy.
And today, I'm the tester who
Right.
makes the gutter Laffy Taffy.
Right, she's going to be the tester, and Jordan, you're going to be the mixer. Right?
I'm in the mixer. I'm the very important mixer.
Yes.
And Dad, you're the pourer.
And I'm the pourer. So here's how you make prison-style Laffy Taffy. I saw this on a TikTok video, and I was like, that is so cool. I got to see if it really works. It's 3 ingredients. It's very simple. We're using non-dairy coffee creamer, right? We have on-the-go drink mix packets, and the cool thing about these is you can get different flavors. So our prison-style Laffy Taffy is actually going to be Crush Orange. What do you want to say?
Crush Orange is related to the drink Sunkist and Fanta.
Right, precisely. What we got to do...
And our including is what we make our ingredients into a drink. We make lemonade from home.
Right.
And we also make stuff.
Hold on, quiet. Let me just wipe your face. Your face is filthy. Okay, so first step, we got to take our non-dairy coffee creamer and we got to pour it into the bowl, right? Then what we got to do is we're going to take our packets of Crush right here. Now it says to use 8 to 10, but we only had 6, so we adjusted the measurements. So we're just going to cut these off and we are going to pour those in. There we go. Now, it says to add sweetener, but these are already sweet. Whoa.
Could I smell it?
Smell
Also, oh, it's pink.
Yeah, a little bit. So now it says to add a little sweetener. You know, it's already kind of sweet enough. Jordan, you're going to do the initial. Like, just shake it like that. Be very careful. Shake it. Bless you. Okay, now everything's all mixed up together. Our prison taffy needs hydration. So we're going to pour the water in. And Noah, tell us when to go.
Go!
There it is. All right. Cool.
Can I see that?
Look what's happening. It's like turning clumpy.
Can I see? Wow.
Isn't that cool? All right, don't touch.
Will I
You don't have
mix
gloves.
with my hand?
Yeah. Okay, start mixing
With my hands?
with your hands. Go ahead. Go for it. Not like that though. You gotta. God, that's very. All right, here. Let me help you. This is a little bit messier than I thought it was going to be. Oh boy. Oh, that's bad. That's crazy. All right. Let me just take over real quick. This is getting out of control.
Do I pound it?
Hold on.
No, it's my job.
Hold on. I have a different job for you now.
What's my different job, Daddy?
You'll see. Look at what's happening. It's turning into a slimy orange. Looks really good. And then you got to just get all the clumps out.
We turn it into taffy.
And then we have to sing the song. Shake that Laffy Taffy.
No.
What? What's the song?
Shake it like a boom, boom, boom.
Shake it like a boom, boom, boom.
Shake it like a boom, boom, boom.
Shake it like a boom, boom, boom. Shake it like a boom, boom, boom. Shake it like a boom, boom, boom. Shake it like a boom, boom, boom. Shake it like a
Boom, boom, boom. Shake it
All right,
like
look at this. This is amazing, you guys.
Wait,
Let's
when
get
am I
the
gonna
thumbnail.
mix?
Thumbnail. Everybody post for the thumbnail. So we ended up pouring in even more because it looks like we got the proportions wrong.
That makes it better and turns it into like a dough where
Yeah.
you can like
Exactly.
shape and pose out the taffy.
That's precisely correct, my son. Oh God, this is getting really crazy.
Oh my god!
I don't know what I'm doing here. All right, I think that's enough. Let's just keep. I gotta be persistent here. Oh my God, this stuff is nuts.
Let me smell.
It smells good, I bet. It smells good. Look at this. Look at this crazy crap. It's like orange brain slime. You know, it'd be really cool to do this with pink.
Yeah, it looks
It's like
sand, but
blueberry. Now pour it into a cup.
yeah, what's my new job?
Ask me 20 more times. Your new job is to hold the bag open.
My job is to hold the bag open?
Yeah. They weren't lying when they said this stuff gets really, really sticky. I mean, it's like really hard to work it. Just trying to coat everything. Please don't play with the rice. Noah, don't put your hand in the rice. Honey, come on. Don't eat raw rice, Noah. What are you, crazy? Sweetheart.
Sorry, that is just some extra funny content.
Shake it like a boom, boom, boom. Shake it like a boom, boom, boom. Look at this. Look at this stuff. You need all 16 ounces. Noah, okay, that you're getting out of control. Honey, put it down.
Stop eating the rice.
No prison taffy for you if you keep eating rice.
Give me that.
Stop. What is life right now? I swear.
Daddy, that looks like a pumpkin, but you smushed it and dissected it.
Yeah, I mean, it's like really gnarly.
Yeah, probably making that in front of a living pumpkin would scare it away. That looks like kinetic sand, but that pumpkin got
It does. Imagine taking an open face, like palm of the face, right in the face. All right, get out of here. All right, we have a problem. I don't know how to get this off my hand.
How?
It's so sticky.
Grab fondue and then smush it.
What am I supposed to do with this? All right. Open the bag.
Some YouTubers,
Open the bag all the way.
You know some YouTubers are actually cyberbullies.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm really. It's like hardened. Oh my God, this was such a mistake. All right, open it up. I don't know if the bag was a good idea.
I know.
You know, now we're gonna have to try and no, do not put your hands in here. Trust me, you do not want no part of this. Oh, this was such a bad idea. No, please listen to Daddy. Please, no, stop. Open it up wide.
Sticky.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why it's good that I did this. Trust me on this.
And
Oh my God. Taste it. How does it taste? Well, let's just
I'm
try
gonna
it.
taste.
Blech.
Is it good? It tastes like taffy.
It tastes good, but
Oh my God, that's amazing.
our creation, it's worked.
Wow. Do you like it?
I do.
It tastes like taffy. It's sugar-free too. That's gnarly, man.
Daddy, stop eating the taffy.
I can't help myself. You know, it's actually really good. Here, take some from my finger. Oh no. Oh, I regret that.
All right, give me.
All right, do not put it in your hair anywhere or anything. Oh, what was I think? What, like total
Oh my God, no, you're being crazy.
She's gonna get this all. Like, what was I thinking? I did not think this through. It tastes really good.
That
I wanted to make something that was like sugar-free, you know?
disgusting. Yuck.
You don't like it?
Yuck. Disgusting.
Really? You don't like it? I think it tastes so good. Do you like it?
No, the orange part makes me. No, I like the orange part. I like the orange part, but the taffy part makes me blech it.
You mean you like the flavor, but you don't like the consistency?
I don't like the consistency. Blech.
You don't move. You stay right there. Get your hands off me with your orange craziness. Oh, come on! Hey!
Bro, give Daddy some slack.
Come on, man.
We're not giving
No.
Yes.
It was a bad idea.
Such a bad idea.
Bad idea. Daddy has a 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 bad idea. Daddy had the worst idea. All right, we'll chalk that up to bad idea. And you, all right, you need to go in the bath immediately. We'll figure out what to do with this at another time. Apparently, the street value of this in jail, it's $1 a bar. It costs about $4 to make. So you can make several large pieces and sell them for $1 in prison. So
we also bake challah.
right, they bake challah with their mother, and with their father they make prison-style Laffy Taffy. Except him, he eats rubber gloves. Get that out of your mouth. What are you, crazy? Mm.